I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: firmware up to date and an HDMI 2.0+ connection. This avoids lag from older ports. Once done, plug your console into the HDMI port labeled Game or PC to ensure the TV routes signals correctly. Make sure screen refresh and resolution match the console output to prevent scaling. If you plan to change advanced settings later, note the current picture mode now so you can revert. This quick prep saves time and prevents common input issues. You now enable game mode in settings and immediately check Input Signal Plus for the active HDMI. This removes internal processing that adds latency. Once enabled, tweak Game Motion Plus only if you need smoother motion, turn it off to minimize input lag, or dial it down for less blur. Next, match HDR tone mapping and set PC mode when connecting a PC to accept 4K 60 or 120Hz. These steps balance responsiveness and image fidelity. Make adjustments. You finish by testing with actual gameplay. Look for input delay, stutter, or HDR clipping. Play a few rounds to feel responsiveness. If you spot artifacts or motion issues, revert aggressive picture tweaks first, then swap HDMI ports or use a certified cable. Bad cables mimic processing problems. If lag remains, power cycle both devices and check for TV software update. Sometimes the fix is firmware. One key tip: if everything fails, reset picture to default and reapply only game mode, then retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.